I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
Any day is Taco Tuesday in my house. We love tacos, especially these chicken tacos. These chicken tacos are not your ordinary chicken tacos. They're so much better. We're gonna be marinating our chicken in chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. It's nice and smoky and tangy. And then we're gonna be topping our tacos with this awesome avocado, onion, lime topping. And they're really easy to make because we're kind of cheating. I have my chicken breasts here and I'm marinating them in this right here. It's a little can. Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. This is not an ad. This is just me pointing out what I got today. But you can get chipotle peppers and adobo sauce right in a little can in the grocery store. And it saves you so much time marinating your chicken because you don't need to mix any ingredients together. So you massage your chicken breasts. And then once they've marinated for about 30 minutes or so, you just want to pop all of that mixture right on a baking sheet. And you can see I kind of broke up the chipotle peppers, smashed them so they release their flavors. If you don't mind a little spiciness, I highly recommend doing that. If you don't like spicy, I wouldn't crush those peppers. I would just marinate your chicken more in the adobo sauce itself. So once they're flat on a baking sheet, you're gonna bake these at 425 for about 17 to 21 minutes and you'll have the juiciest chicken ever. Mr. Camera Boy told me to acknowledge the elephant in the room, which is our very noisy, horrible oven. While our chicken is baking away, we're going to make our awesome avocado topping. It's kind of like a guac. We have some beautiful avocados. I really lucked out this time. Usually my avocados are either brown or underripe. Go ahead and scoop them into a bowl. I have finely chopped onion for a little crunch, a little fabulousness, and limes. You want limes in your tacos. It's like the best ingredient ever. I like some zest in this because you get the lime flavor. And I'm going to juice my limes too for the juice. Lime is balding. After you zest, you juice. I'm trying to not get it everywhere. I feel weak. I need both arms. If you like the heat, you can add in some jalapenos, as I like to call them. I did a sample beforehand to make sure they weren't too spicy. These are pretty mild, so I'm gonna add them all in. Oh yeah, hardcore. I don't know why that just cracked me up. And a little salt. Just like that. And we're gonna take a fork, the back of a fork, and mash our avocado up. You can also use a potato masher if that's easier. And you're just gonna mix and mash. This is what you want. But you don't really know what you want unless you try. Limey, oniony, crunchy, little heat. The creamy avocado. It's a star. Waiting for the chicken, and then we'll assemble. After you let your chicken sit for like 5 minutes or so, just to let it rest, then you want to go ahead and pull your chicken or shred it. You can of course cube it, but I kind of like to do a little shred action. Look how juicy that is. Ooh. The perfect chicken taco is about to be delivered. I have a flour tortilla. I like flour with this. Put it on a plate. And I'm gonna grab some of that chicken. And then I'm gonna take some of that awesome guac topping. Put a little bit of that on there. And I also have some queso fresco here, which is salty, it's crumbly. You just get a big block like this. You can just tear off chunks and crumble your queso fresco in a bowl first. And then what you can do is hold your taco and add some of that crumbly cheese right on top, just like this. And the classic garnish, a little bit of cilantro on there, and you have yourself the perfect chicken taco. I can't tell you how painful it was to take pictures of these and not devour them. So now it's time to devour. Guys, it's so good. The chicken's smoky, tiny bit spicy, the crunch of the onion, avocado, a little cheese on top. These are all mine. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Raise me up so I can stand on mountains. It's a bag of poultry.